Fun fact, vitamin C is really good for anti-aging and age spots. So what we're gonna do today is make a DIY vitamin C serum.
Oh my god! I feel like it's all the rage right now. Everyone's talking about vitamin C serum.
Yeah, for wrinkles and age spots. I'm all about the age spots. I don't know if that counts as like my darkness, which is melasma, but like we're just gonna give it a shot.
All right. So some of the benefits of vitamin C is that it's a really great antioxidant. It can clear up your skin as far as like brighten it up, so you can kind of look like a little bit more refreshed. And also, if you happen to have sun damage, it's actually really, really good for your skin. So vitamin C is just really good overall.
And it has collagen production, which is like basically plumping of the skin, because as you get older, you're like, you start here and then like you're like bringing yourself.
This is like 20s.
That's 20s,
30s, and
30s, and 40s. So by using all of these kind of products like vitamin C and vitamin E and the rosehip oil we had made, you're basically gonna start going back up there.
All right. I'm down.
All right, let's start making it. This is super simple. The measurements: 1 tablespoon of vitamin C powder. So this is from Whole Foods. I went on the quest to look for it. I remember a few months ago because I had read about it, and I was like, where do you find vitamin C? And it took me a minute to find it, but I did find it at Whole Foods.
Awesome.
It's their 365 brand. Yeah. So vitamin C. And so 1 tablespoon of that, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, half a tablespoon of vitamin E oil, and 1 tablespoon of water.
So one of each except the vitamin E oil.
Yeah, vitamin E goes into half. And
in case you're wondering what the powder looks like, it
just
kind of
white
looks like
powder.
sugar.
Yeah,
a little bit.
And another thing, again, I mentioned this in several DIYs. You could alternate. You could alter the ingredients in this depending on what you want. So like if you feel like you really want to get in there with the wrinkles or the age spots, you could put some more vitamin C in there.
I think we should put a little bit more.
Yeah, let's just put more than one.
Maybe I could do like a hearty one.
Yeah. Well, that's not even a tablespoon. That's a teaspoon. So
I'll do that.
Okay.
How about that?
Okay. Mix that up.
It's like a little paste. Okie dokie.
And then 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I think this is basically the serum-y part of it.
Yeah. I like where this is going, Nora.
Mm-hmm. I feel like a lot of the stuff that we have seen, and half a tablespoon of vitamin E oil, has been more oil-based and not serum-y based, right?
That's true. What do you think? Should we add a little bit more powder?
Are we gonna get it too hard? No, I think we're good, actually.
We're good? All right.
We're good, yeah. Now, I said something. Ani has the heaviest hand. She'll be like, 1 tablespoon? Cool! And she'll like grab the shovel and put it in there.
I do have a heavy hand. So when I asked my mom for a recipe, and she's like, with your eye, just like a pinch. I'm just like,
yeah.
It tasted different.
So one thing to note when it comes to vitamin C is always make sure it's in an amber bottle or a plastic bottle. So even when you're at like Sephora, Ulta, CVS or whatever, and it says, the packaging says CVS, and the packaging says vitamin C, make sure it's not in a container that's clear, because it basically loses the potency and it kind of works against you.
Okay.
So make sure when you're making this...
really good to know.
Yeah, make sure when you're making this, transfer it onto a amber bottle or a plastic container. Okay, we're going to use this right now, though.
Do I look younger?
Is this serum-y? Oh my god, it is serum-y.
Do I look younger? Oh,
I see it.
Yeah?
Is my melasma gone?
Yeah. Okay, obviously don't expect instant results, but you can use this every single day and you will start to notice that your skin does look brighter, more refreshed, and more youthful.
And also, another note is make sure, use this at night, you guys. Don't use
I
this.
can see why.
Don't use this in the morning. No, it's not for what you think, because going out with vitamin C on your skin like this could actually damage your skin more. So in the morning when
because of the UV rays.
Yeah, so in the morning when you wake up and you have this on your skin, make sure you're gonna shower, you're gonna wash your face fully, and then leave the house.
Look at you, full of all these amazing tips.
So vitamin C actually should be used in the evening time. Fun fact. All right, you guys.
Every day.
I hope you learned a thing or two with this DIY. I really like this.
Yeah, I do too. It feels really good.
Just make sure the powder is fully dissolved in there. I can still feel a few like.
It makes it a little better than
I'm
we
usually
did.
the mixer, and clearly Ani's not excelling at the mixing department.
Bag on Ani Day.
All right, you guys, if you have any suggestions or any comments regarding this DIY or suggestions for new ones, let us know. We will do our little research. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.